It's Tuesday, December 2nd. Just wanted to follow up on the SPY. You can see after buying puts on this big red bar, anticipating we take out the lows of the day and seeing if maybe a bigger failure would unfold. We are following through lower. I just wanted to scale out here and kind of set up a no-risk scenario. I bought those 690 puts at 861. I scaled out a point higher at 962 to set up a no-risk trade. Just sold some more at 1025 at this pre-market low target. And we'll see what happens. I mean, this could be the start of a big failure or not. It could be just a lot of volatility in here. I described how after kind of reaching that weekly high at the yellow line and just wanted to see what would happen at that inflection point. Seeing that big red bar, that looked like a potential failure unfolding. But I know we need to have kind of a domino effect to really get through this, pre-market low and take out the open of the week, which is yesterday's open, to really get negative. If that doesn't happen, we're just kind of consolidating here in a big, you can spread it out and see a big trading range. But if it can break through there and have we're early enough in the week where we could get through the open and really then start going a lot lower, and that would surprise a lot of people, but it's certainly possible. The main thing is we did reach that weekly target. That's all price needed to do this week, and then the highs of last week, and then we want to see what happens at that yellow line. Can we get follow through to those all-time highs, which is still definitely in play, or is this going to be a failure area? And to me, the beginning of a failure starts when you get through the open and turn this back to red. So we'll see if that unfolds. I know that needs to happen, and I don't know if it's going to happen. So anyway, that's why I'm scaling out here, and that might be all you get for the day, and we get a very choppy day, or this could be the start of a big failure, that just for 2 days kind of worked up to its target and now wants to head a lot lower. So we'll find out at no risk, but the high probability after this red bar was to follow through a little bit lower, and that's, now you at no risk, you can kind of see what develops. So just wanted to follow up on the SPY, and we'll kind of see how this day goes for the rest of the day. We kind of know the context in play, may or may not, after reaching some of these intraday targets, it may follow through lower, it may not, but being able to get in here at a good location gives you an opportunity to kind of scale out and set up a no-risk scenario to see what plays out.